Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to show you how to choose Bybit as exchange in Hamster Kombat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Hamster Kombat in your Telegram. Just simply open Telegram and open the Hamster Kombat game. And after opening the application, you will get to see a bunch of options into this homepage. Now you just simply have to tap to this gear icon, and after tapping into that gear icon, you just simply have to select this choose exchange option. Now after tapping into choose exchange, as you can see here, I have chosen Binance into here. Now in order to select or choose Bybit, you just simply have to tap into Bybit here, and after tapping into Bybit, it will successfully be chosen as the exchange into your Hamster Kombat in one click. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.